Are you dragging your network marketing team across the finish line? If so, I feel you. It's not your team, it's the system. In this video, I walk through the exact communication rhythm I use to keep my network marketing team aligned, engaged, and growing without the burnout. If we haven't met yet, I'm Jenn Glacken, network marketing leader for 30 plus years, and today I'm pulling back the curtain on the first system I shared at Digital Networker Live in 2025. Let's talk about system number one, communication that duplicates. If you want to build a team that grows with you, not just because of you, this system is non negotiable. Here's the truth: most leaders are stuck being the walking, frequently asked question of their team. They send out reminders that get ignored, host team calls that no one shows up to, and feel like they're repeating themselves all day long. Sound familiar? That was me too, until I built a scalable rinse and repeat communication rhythm that didn't rely on me being in 12 places at once. Here's what this system looks like. First, we have a weekly team broadcast. I send one clear, consistent message each week via email and text called the Pulse. It includes updates, action items, mindset shifts, and team recognition. It trains the team when to expect updates so they stop feeling like they're getting random messages at random times. Second, we use project broadcast automations. In case you're unfamiliar, project broadcast is an automated text and emailing system. I use simple automations to send out onboarding nudges, event reminders, and celebration messages so no one slips through the cracks. Third, we use two-way communication. I encourage my leaders to voice note back. We use a system called Marco Polo, which works well, but so does voice messaging through Messenger. Communication should flow both ways, and it's my job to make that easy. Fourth, I create content consistency. Whether it's a team huddle, product spotlight, or incentive, I use repeatable formats. Familiarity builds trust, and trust builds momentum. Lastly, I work to have one and only one clear call to action. Every message I send has a next step. Watch this, fill this out, join us. No confusion, no overwhelm, just action. This system allows me to support new ambassadors, grow emerging leaders, and stay connected to a large team without burnout. If your team communication feels like chaos right now, start with one rhythm. Pick a day, pick a platform, deliver value, be consistent, and ask for one clear action. Your team will thank you. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit subscribe or get on my email list. The link is below, because this is just system number one of 6. Over the next few weeks, I'll walk you through all 6 systems that I use inside my business to create real duplication and sustainable success. And at the end, I've got a downloadable PDF that maps out the whole thing so you can implement it step by step. You don't have to do it alone. Let's build smarter together. See you in the next video.